Good morning, children. Myself Sanvarit. Today I am taking 8th standard social South India. In that South India, three dynasties will give. One is Shatavahana, second one is Kadambas, Gangas. First we'll see about Shatavahanas. Sir, before Shatavahanas, who are there? That is the question we'll raise them. Who are the Shatavahanas? Why you have to do this one? Why it is important Shatavahanas? We have to know the history of the Shatavahanas. We'll see. Vindhya Mountains separate North and South India. So Vindhya Mountains means you know not India map. So for time being I am drawing fastly. So don't consider this is only India map. I am drawing here like this. Just I am drawing like this. But I don't have time. That's why we are time being we are drawing this one. So Vindhya Mountains means Himalayas you can say. There will be getting Himalayas. So Vindhya Mountains too divide two things. One is North India, one is South India. So North, East, West, South. So South India, North India will be. Then there are Vindhya Mountains and Kanyakumari. So Kanyakumari it is in south part. Here Vindhya Mountains. North in Vindhya Mountains, south is in which one? Kanyakumari. So it is we can call as a South India or Deccan. Also we can call South India. Another name is Deccan. Deccan region we can call. Shatavahanas, Kadambas, Ganga, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Pallavas. This all the people ruled here, sir. Now we'll see one of the empire. What is the name of the empire? Means Shatavahanas kingdom. So 230 BCE to 220 CE. Same is what chronic event. So Shatavahanas are the first to have established a dynasty in Deccan. So Shatavahanas are they are the first people. They started to establish rule in South India. In South India, who are the first kingdom that started is Shatavahana itself. When they started this kingdom, they settled themselves the land between Godavari and Krishna. Godavari and Krishna, where it will come? Andhra Pradesh, no? There. They were the vassals of Chandragupta Maurya and paying tributes to them. Vassals means they are working under the subordinate. So, who is there? Subordinates, you know, inferior, superior also, no? So for their head, who are the heads for them is Chandragupta Maurya. They are paying tributes, means annually they have to pay for them some amount. In 2020 BCE, Simukha became the independent and make his Srikakulam his capital. So who is the founder means of Shatavahana dynasty? Simukhi. So who is the founder of this Shatavahana dynasty means? Who are the founder means? Simukha. Where is their capital city? Srikakulam. In Andhra Pradesh is there is Srikakulam. Their capital city. Next, sir, only one person is there. So if you go through history means it will come names after him. His son has came. This fellow has come. All kings will come one by one. Successors are there. But for our reference, only the main kings they have given. Who is the main king of Shatavahana's kingdom is Gautami Putra Shatakarni. What is the name? Famous king of Shatavahana is Gautami Putra Shatakarni. He was a prominent king of this dynasty. So which dynasty? Shatavahana dynasty. Who is the prominent king? Gautami Putra Shatakarni. He has drawn away from bitter enemies of his kingdom and Shakas beyond the border of India. So when he became the king, he drawn all the enemies from his country. So who are enemies, for them all he defeated. He became the strong leader. Then Shalivahana Shaka also supported his inaugurated by him. So eras will say era means calendars how will be. Shalimara Shaka era will say like that he also started one of the event. That what is the name of the event? Shalivahana Shaka he started there. So one period has started, era will say that one. He expanded his kingdom to include not only Konkan, Virar, Sarastra and Malwa, many new areas. So not only invited, he has been expanded his kingdom. So where do he expanded? Konkan, Virar, Surashtrata, Malwa. Main kings are not only here, still he expanded his kingdoms. Where he got the titles, he expanded many kingdoms. He made them to subordinate for other peoples also. That's why he got the titles also. So he is a very strong people king. So he got the title is Trisamudra Toya Pita Vahana. Trisamudra Toya Pita Vahana means three seas is upon horse riding water will be. That is symbol. So for everything, three places also he conquered. Next, Shatavahana Kulavamshapura Pradhana Pakara. So Shatavahanas is the prime king, best first king you can say. So important king, he got that title. Next, Yagnashri Shatakarni was the last king of this day. So first is Simukha, second is Gautamiputra Shatakarni. Again they went for directly last king. Who is that last king? Yagnashri Shatakarni. He is the last king of Shatavahana dynasty. During his time, his account of continuous attacks by Shakas, empire stood devastated. What happened means, Shaka people say, continuously they have made attacks to him. So unable to defeat for them. So he defeated himself a great defeat. So Solona Gelkondidam. During his Shatavahana's rule, so during this period, the king was supreme. So who are the head of the state? King itself. Then the kingdom was divided into provincials called Janapadas for the provincial administration officers appointed to look after them. So how will we say no? In now India itself. For India, states are there. States divided into capitals. Capitals divided into taluks. Taluks are divided into cities. Cities divided into villages. Like that. In his kingdom also divided into Janapadas are there. Jnanapadas we can say. Next he appointed one officer there. Jnanapadas is there one official department. He made one of the officer. Then look after the self-governing institution. So suppose you belong to this area, Ballari, you are the head. This is Tornagal, you belong to this one. This is Koppal, this is yours. You only head. You have to rule whatever the province. Suppose in that area, suppose you are unable to control for them or anything problem has been unable to solve, then you have to consult for the king. Like that it has been divided. So king alone can't do anything, no? That is the thing. There was no discrimination on the basis of Varna in the society. So no discrimination, no division. So he belongs to high class, he belongs to low class, nothing. All are equally safe. Even women has high officers and high status in the society. What is it means? Women's are their highest positions for them, highest places. So someone has become ministers also, he has given ranks. So once upon a time, who is there means? Women's not involved in any activities, but at present is there. So men or women are equal, they are going for office, jobs are equal, share, everything is there. But that time only king has given means, it is a great king. No? Next, different occupations are peoples are getting. Farmers. So few farmers are there. So different types of occupations workers are there. First one is merchants. Merchants means business peoples. Goldsmiths who will do the work of gold works, that all will be fishermen. So fishermen means you saying the fishes catching and selling, that all will be carpenter, woodcutters, that all will be weavers, cloth makers, medicine man means doctors. These are the different types of professions are available in that society. There were occupations of associations. Later the associations emerged into commercial and trade. So few associations are there. Like we'll say no associations, so group of people. Union will say. There are unions also. Unions are there. Even some of them encouragement for the trade. They did the business also. Next, Nasik, Kalyana, Broch, Bhaktakal. These are the main trade centers. For the main thing is this one. So if you say which are our main trade centers for in Karnataka, we'll say Bangalore, sir. So Hospet sir, Hubli sir, like that one few is there. Belagavi is there. So few Mysore. Remarkable so means which are important for us trade doing that one. So in some time like that, for them also main centers are there. Nasik, Kalyana, Broch, Bhatkal, like that places. Shatavahanas also followed Vedic religion. Vedic means I told you just now Ramanand we learned in 9th standard we learned Vedic religions. They also Vedic means they followed ancient texts. Encourage other religions also. Only Hinduism followed. No, they followed Buddhism also. Jainism also believed. Jainism, Buddhism also came on that time. They promoted art. So only conquest, only fightings and only expansion of countries are there. No. Even they expanded. What are one? Arts are there. Fine arts will be painting, drawing. Everything is there now? That one. Literature. Many poems are written and some songs. They have written. Many things has been. Education given. Literature was created in Prakrit language. So today we are saying any language is famous. English language only will come. So Kannada language, English language. That time which is the language is famous? Prakrit. The language of both scholars and common people. Scholar means Vidwamsar, landmen, intelligent people also using that one itself. Even common people also using Prakriti only. Ghata Saptashati was written by Hala. One of the court poet. What his name is? Hala. One of the king also is there. So he also written one thing. What a book he has written is Ghata Saptashati. King has written. Many kings has also written many books also is there. Ajanta and Amravati. So Ajanta you have seen Ajanta. Cave temples. There Amaravati paintings during these periods of Shatavahanas only. Viharas are there. Viharas means Buddhist places. So worshippers we can call as the viharas, temples. Chaityas means we can call the Jainism people's worshippers were no viharas. Sorry, Chaityas we can call. Chaityas was built in Karle. So Karle if you go means one Chaitya is there. So Banavasi merchant Butpala has constructed this one. During this period, Kannada land was prospering and held adventures. So in Karnataka also many places means Ajanta cave temples is there. Al Yellorai, Ajanta in Karnataka famous are the main cave paintings that all will be. So the land is contribution is remarkable to Shatavahanas. So till we are learnt about Shatavahanas. So Shatavahanas, who is the founder of Shatavahanas? Simuka. So after him, who has came to power? Gautamiputra Shatakarni. So for him is the title. What is the name of the title of Gautamiputra Shatakarni? Trisamudra Toyapita Vahana. Then he extended many kingdoms to 12 places. Then next last king, who is that last king? Who is the last king? Last king. During his period, so many people has came. So last period also, the last king also contributed. So last, first and last only they have given important for us. So last king is Yagnashri Shatakarni. After for him, they told that contributions, what they made. Main thing, Ajanta cave paintings are there. Then in his kingdom, different types of occupations are there. Who are the occupations? Doctors are there. Then farmers, merchants, goldsmiths, fishermen. This all we came to learn about only Shatavahanas. Next period, we are going to see about Kadambas and Gangas. Thank you. Sir, you reclaim it.